A new beginning at Willowside Primary School. The sun painted the sky with hues of pink and gold as the students of Willowside Primary School gathered in front of the historic brick building. It was the first day of a new school year, a day that symbolized a fresh start for young minds eager to learn. Among the throng of children, a small girl named Emma clutched her backpack tightly, her eyes filled with a mixture of excitement and apprehension. She was about to embark on a new adventure, leaving behind the familiar walls of her old school and stepping into the unknown of Willowside Primary. As the bell chimed, the children shuffled into the building, their backpacks laden with books, pencils, and dreams. The air was abuzz with the laughter and chatter of new friendships being formed. Emma hesitated at the entrance, her heart racing as she faced the unfamiliar. Her first class was with Mrs. Thompson, a kind-hearted teacher who had a reputation for making new students feel welcome. As Emma entered the classroom, she was greeted by warm smiles and cheerful faces. The teacher, with her friendly demeanor, introduced Emma to the class, and it didn't take long for her to feel like she belonged. The students, curious and eager, embraced Emma, inviting her to join in their games at recess and helping her navigate the maze of the school's hallways. With each passing day, her trepidation gave way to confidence and comfort. One sunny morning, as Emma sat under the shade of a towering oak tree in the schoolyard, she met Lily, a girl with a mass of curly red hair and an infectious laugh. Lily invited Emma to join her on an adventure to explore the secret world of the old oak tree. They spent hours discovering hidden nooks, making up stories, and sharing their dreams. In the weeks that followed, Emma forged more friendships, each one unique and special. She discovered a passion for reading, thanks to the school's well-stocked library, and a talent for art, nurtured by her encouraging art teacher, Mr. Robinson. At Willowside Primary School, each day was a canvas, painted with lessons that inspired creativity, encouraged kindness, and celebrated individuality. The school was more than just a place of learning, it was a haven where dreams took root and flourished. As the school year progressed, Emma and her classmates prepared for a special event, the school's annual talent show. With their hearts full of determination and excitement, they practiced their performances tirelessly. On the night of the talent show, the auditorium was filled with families, friends, and teachers, their applause and cheers a chorus of encouragement. Emma stepped onto the stage, accompanied by her newfound friends. Together, they performed a heartwarming skit that celebrated the power of friendship and the joy of new beginnings. The audience erupted into applause, and Emma's heart swelled with pride. Willowside Primary School had given Emma not only an education but also a sense of belonging and the confidence to embrace the unknown. The lessons she had learned extended far beyond the classroom, teaching her that a new beginning could be an opportunity for growth, a chance to form lasting friendships, and a journey of self-discovery. As the school year came to a close, Emma looked back at her first day with a sense of gratitude and fulfillment. Her new start at Willowside Primary School had not only been a chapter in her life, but the beginning of a beautiful story filled with friendship, learning, and endless possibilities. The end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Teddy's Best Story Time. See you next time.